The Camp Dutch Oven is a versatile, durable cast iron pot perfect for outdoor cooking. With excellent heat retention, it's ideal for baking, roasting, and stews. Features include a flanged lid, sturdy handle, and exceptional cooking performance. There are many different types of Camp Dutch Oven, each with special benefits, features, and prices. To help make right decisions, I did a lot of research and will be found the best Camp Dutch Oven that people like you can benefit greatly from these products. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video with patience. Number 1. Lodge L8 DOL3 Cast Iron Dutch Oven. The Lodge L8 DOL3 Cast Iron Dutch Oven, with a 5-quart capacity, is a timeless kitchen essential perfect for preparing and serving unforgettable meals. Pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, this cookware is ready to use and improves with every meal you cook, creating a natural, non-stick surface over time. Crafted in the USA by Lodge, a family-owned company with over 120 years of expertise, this Dutch oven embodies unmatched durability, quality design, and versatility. Whether simmering stews, baking bread, or roasting meats, it delivers exceptional heat retention and even cooking. Featuring dual handles for secure lifting, it transitions seamlessly from stovetop to oven to table. Built for generations of use, the Lodge Cast Iron Dutch Oven isn't just about cooking, it's about creating lasting memories with family and friends. Rooted in tradition and innovation, Lodge cookware is a true testament to American craftsmanship. Number 2. Tube-in-1 Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Dutch Oven. The Tube-in-1 Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Dutch Oven pot with skillet lid is a versatile and durable addition to any kitchen or campsite. Pre-seasoned with natural vegetable oil and free of synthetic coatings or chemicals, this 5-quart pot and its shallow skillet lid are ready for use. The skillet doubles as a lid or a standalone frying pan, offering unmatched cooking versatility. With sturdy integrated loop handles on both the pot and skillet, transporting hot dishes to the table is safe and convenient. Perfect for a wide range of cooking styles, this set excels at baking, frying, roasting, grilling, sautéing, braising, and more. The cast iron construction ensures superior heat retention and even cooking, while its easy care design requires simple hand washing, thorough drying, and occasional seasoning. Ideal for indoor and outdoor cooking, this cast iron set brings classic durability and efficiency to every meal. Number 3. Stansport Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Dutch Oven. The Stansport Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Dutch Oven is a versatile and durable cooking essential for your kitchen or outdoor adventures. Featuring a flat bottom, it's perfect for use on stoves, cooking grills, or in ovens, making it ideal for a variety of cooking methods, from roasting to baking and slow cooking. The heavy cast iron lid is designed to lock in moisture, ensuring tender and flavorful results every time. Renowned for its excellent heat distribution and retention, this Dutch oven provides consistent cooking performance, while its rugged construction resists chipping and warping for long-lasting durability. Pre-seasoned and ready to use right out of the box, it eliminates the need for additional preparation. Whether you're making hearty stews, baking bread, or simmering sauces, the Stansport Cast Iron Dutch Oven is built to deliver exceptional results and withstand years of use in the kitchen or at the campsite. Number 4. Uno Casa 6QT Cast Iron Camping Dutch Oven. The Uno Casa 6QT Cast Iron Camping Dutch Oven is the ultimate cookware for outdoor adventures. Designed for versatility, it features long legs and handles, allowing it to sit or hang over a fire. This 3-in-1 Dutch oven doubles as an oven when coals are placed on top and includes a dual-function lid that works as a skillet, eliminating the need for extra campfire cooking gear. Pre-seasoned and crafted from durable cast iron, this pot offers superior heat retention and even cooking, making it perfect for stews, baking, and more. Its 6-quart capacity and 12-inch diameter ensure you can prepare hearty meals for the whole crew. Additional features include a stainless steel lid lifter for fire pit safety, a heavy-duty storage bag for easy transport, and a downloadable recipe ebook to inspire your outdoor cooking. Elevate your camping and hiking meals with this versatile and rugged Dutch oven. Number 5. 10QT Camping Dutch Oven. The Villaise 10QT Camping Dutch Oven is a versatile and durable cooking essential designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Made from high-quality cast iron, it offers excellent thermal conductivity and heat retention, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. Its flanged lid holds hot coals and inverts for use as a griddle, while the included tripod allows for effortless campfire cooking. With a generous 10-quart capacity, this Dutch oven is perfect for serving 4 to 8 people and is ideal for cooking, braising, frying, grilling, and baking. Whether you're making stews, pizzas, or even cakes, it handles it all with ease. The spiral metal handle prevents heat transfer for safe handling, and the included lid lifter ensures secure removal from heat. To maintain its performance, follow simple care tips, including gradual heating and periodic reseasoning. Backed by Vielay's quality commitment, this Dutch oven is built for exceptional cooking experiences. All I want to say is that I make helpful videos daily. Please do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, so do check out link the my description box for each product mentioned. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.